How to achieve spotless shower glass and fog-free mirrors for 7 days. From rust stains, mildew stains, soap scum, and hard water spots, to dirty glass, foggy mirrors, and don't forget to squeegee after every shower. Keeping your bathroom glass clean every day is a tough task. You've tried multiple products, wasted a ton of time, and the glass is never completely clean. Now, there's a better solution. Introducing Magic Shower Glass and Mirror, a new one-step cleaner that leaves shower glass spotless, streak-free, and almost invisible. Plus, leaves mirrors fog-free. Magic Shower Glass and Mirror solves the toughest shower glass and mirror cleaning problems. Our Stay Clean technology sheeting action prevents soap scum and other residue from sticking to shower glass and mirror surfaces. The result? 7 days of spotless shower glass and fog-free mirrors. Magic.